Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Audi tune video. A new, fresh tune on a new, fresh platform. So I know you guys are loving the tune content. Today is something different. The 034 Motorsport Stage 1 ECU and Stage 2 TCU tune on a B9 SQ5. I think it's technically the B9.5. I don't know. I'm not an SUV guy, but I heard this one's pretty cool. It is bone stock at the moment. So we're gonna be putting that sweet 034 sauce on today, and we're gonna be taking some befores and afters. We have the draggy, we have the laptop, the cable we need. So we're going mobile. We're going out to beautiful Leland, Michigan to do a little house call, courtesy of 034 Motorsport. Super excited to get this one in. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more tune content, modifications, Audi stuff, shenanigans, rallies, click subscribe, stick around. I've never actually seen this car in person, so super excited to see it as well. I really like the SQ5s, and to be perfectly honest with you guys, when I sold the S5, I was looking at SQ5s. I almost went down to Florida to buy one. I think they're a super cool platform. Very excited to get this one going. It's not wasting more intro time. We'll catch you guys when we're there. Ladies and gentlemen, we are sat in the B9.5 SQ5, and this thing is luxurious, man. I cannot even begin to tell you the difference between this and the S4. It was so funny. We just got out of my car, which is a Stage 2 Plus B9, and this thing is like a luxury cruiser. This is wild. I've actually never driven an SQ5, and I gotta say, the interior, sick. Carbon everywhere. It's got the leather diamond stitch interior, which we'll get out here in a second and show you. Very cool spec in glacier white. Car just got tint on the windows, also full front end PPF. So, and I almost just smoked a deer. Oh my God. I'm in wide angle, but that was probably way closer than it seems. Jesus. The big girl's got some power to her. It is a stock car, but it handles pretty well. We got some nice twisty roads out here. Gonna be being safe. We're gonna go find a place with less traffic to get these draggy runs in for the before. And then this car also, I'm fairly certain, has some sort of like lane keep assist. I probably look like a drunk driver right now because I'm like testing it, but I swear it just did something to keep me in the lane. Look, what is that green thing? Do I have to hit anything on the steering wheel? I'm very perplexed by this car. I thought it was gonna be way more similar, but like even the infotainment system, all the buttons, the steering wheel, it's just a bit different, which is interesting, but I really, really do enjoy this car. Little sketchy, I'll be honest, because I've never driven this car before, but it was just keeping my lane. What the heck? The car's driving itself, dude. Look at it. Look at this. Why can't my S4 do this, dude? I'm driving a Tesla right now. What packages does this have? This thing is sick. I'm a big fan, I must say. All right, this is launch numero one. All right, we got 526. That may have even been uphill a bit. That was the best one yet, 502. All right, we got a good baseline. So ladies and gentlemen, around 5 seconds, 0 to 60, 5.02, I believe was the quickest run we had. A little bit of wet. We did not spin though, so launches were fine. Took off pretty hard. Really the biggest thing is like the shifting, and then just the fact that this car is so dang heavy. And like, I haven't eaten yet. We got 2 people in the car, so we're pretty light, and this is a relatively like everyday test. So full daily driver mode. We could take the seats out of this car and run a crazy drag slick on dry surfaces at -99% slope, but like, this is real life. So we got good numbers. I'm gonna stick with those. We're gonna take it back to the garage and get this thing tuned. We are doing the Stage 1 91 octane tune. So this is relatively the lowest tune you can go, but you guys are gonna be in for a surprise. The big difference between stock and Stage 1, even on just the 91 file. guess what it dragged.
5 seconds.
5 flat is your final guess?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good guess. It's 502. That was right on.
Slow.
It is relative. You can feel how big of a car it is.
Yeah.
Because we're just used to driving these little things.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a fun car.
Yes.
Like, it's for what it is, dude. It is so sick.
I loved my Q5e, which was the exact same thing with a little bit more weight.
Right.
And that car ripped. Like, it was insane, especially with the magnetic ride air suspension.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
All right. Hey, how'd it go?
Dude, it was fun.
Hell yeah.
Let's do a little meet the owner. What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
So this guy's had, what, 10 days?
10 days.
Already
I got
getting...
10 days. I immediately drove up to Michigan, and here we are, and ready to tune it.
Heck yeah. We're doing 91 octane, 0 to 60. Guess what it is? With 2 people in the car.
Yeah, I didn't know Audi.
I don't want to guess. 4.9.
5-0.
5.0.
Yep.
Okay, I was close.
Evan guessed it right on. I don't know how he does it.
Yeah.
He was like calculating what I ate for lunch today, factoring into the weight distribution.
Cooled cup holders.
And
Yeah.
heated.
Yeah, that's a really
So,
cool
and
idea.
heated.
With the Prestige, you've got more
Yeah.
weight too because of stuff like that.
Right.
And it also rained.
It did rain. Yeah.
So,
Yep. And the double pane glass, was it really
Oh,
quiet in
yeah.
there?
dude, yes. That was the first thing I noticed. I was like, I can't hear anything.
Yeah,
That's
it's dead
crazy.
silent.
Interesting. All right. Well, I think it's time we get this thing some proper horsepower.
Let's do it.
I got to look at what the 91 is just to see.
Yeah, we gotta pull it
Yeah.
off.
So we got some crazy ads on Evan's laptop here. What do we got? White House Down is on Netflix. All right, so this stage, dude, I keep exiting out of these.
This is so annoying. The Google Chrome notification center is obnoxious.
I've never seen that in my life.
It just kept popping up.
Stage 1, 91, 397 horsepower, 491 torque.
So we're going up 100 foot-pounds in torque.
Yep.
And almost 50 horsepower. I want to see what that torque difference feels like because that's going to be our biggest thing. And then the transmission we're tuning as well. So.
Yes.
Very cool. Let's get after it. So the tune process itself is actually very quick and simple. You just follow the on-screen instructions from 034. So you do all those little preemptive things, plug it into the USB, and then turn on the auxiliary power. And here we are. Engine. You just tap it. We're going stage 1, 91, and that's it. We'll follow any other prompts that come up. All right, we'll check in when it's a little closer to 100%. All right, flashing completed successfully. It took us a total of 8.5 minutes. Quick first impression, can already tell that the transmission tune is doing its thing because this is feeling snappy. We do have some wet on the roads, obviously, but we'll find a little flat spot we can do a drag around and see what the before and after is. Oh, so we did have to fight traction a bit. Dude, the launch literally
Oh my
was
God.
like 1,000 RPMs higher. Okay, we already got a faster time, but we did not get a clean launch. That we spun a bit. So let's try to find somewhere more dry. The shifts just kick you in the back too. Oh man. All right, that was even quicker that time. It did not hop like that at all stock. And I can show you these videos too. If we get this thing in the dry, guarantee it's doing a 4.4 at the very slowest. This thing boogies.
On 91.
On 91?
Yeah.
That's
The
sick.
most mild tune we could.
Yeah. But the torque, you can absolutely feel it.
Yeah.
Like, it's hard to express torque over video, but actually driving behind the wheel is like... And we did launch it. The launch went up like 1,000 RPMs
Oh,
for the brake boost launch.
interesting.
Fast.
The
Hell
butt
yeah. It's a
dyno.
lot faster.
Well, thank you, sir. You fist bump on the phone.
Thank you.
Easy peasy, too. It took us 8.5 minutes to install both the TCU and ECU tune.
Nice.
And the shifts are nuts.
10 days too late. I should have gotten this day one.
My biggest regret. This is crazy. Don't do this. Good morning, everybody. Hear me out. I'm looking at cars. This car is amazing. The S4 is great. I just made a video on how I love this car. If anybody would like to buy it for the right price, I don't think I would hesitate to sell it. It's almost winter time. I have not put the winter wheels on yet. I'm just getting ideas and kind of searching. If you guys follow my Instagram, you've probably seen my post on my story that I'm looking at as far as potential next projects go. Main one I'm kind of looking at right now is Porsche Cayman, specifically a Cayman S between like 2014 and 2015. So it'd be a 981. I just came across a few on Instagram that were just like so cool, and I thought we could do something like that. Just let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I would need a new daily, so potentially 2 new cars on the channel. It could happen. It could happen if we got like an A4 winter beater daily that we, oh man, I say daily and then I'm already talking about like modding it, but I'm thinking out loud here, and I want you guys' input. You guys seemed really supportive when I asked like if you guys would still follow the Instagram page since it's a car page. You guys basically unanimously said yes, we're gonna follow. We're here for the cars, not like a specific car. So that was cool to hear, but it's a possibility as far as like next projects go. Obviously, did just buy the house, so that was a big expense. I know this is not really the meat of the video, as you guys just watched the SQ5 get tuned, but if you guys are still watching this late in the video, you guys are probably fans of the channel, probably serious subscribers whose input I would value quite a lot. So figured I'd ask you, what do you guys think? Should we branch out of the Audi content and go to Porsche? It'd be fun. It'd be super fun. It'd be a change. It'd be a big change. It would certainly be a challenge. Literally sounds like a freaking GT3 with a Soul Performance exhaust. So I've been scheming and I've been planning, but if you guys enjoyed the video, want to continue to see Audi content, obviously that wasn't my car that we tuned. So every week it seems like we're doing something different. Subscribe, hit the like button for the algorithm. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see you.